Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tyler once again. If this is your first time, please subscribe and share my video. Today I'll be talking about the 1 year anniversary of the EndSARS protest in Nigeria a year back. In the next few days it will be 1 year. So I want to recollect what really happened. Well, according to DJ Swift, she was in the Canadian Parliament, she explained what happened. She brought up videos, she told us what really happened before she fled the country. That's one apart. My main objective is that we youths did the time to take our country back. Did the time we youths should know what we are doing. And for me, that's my own opinion. I want the youths to come out and do their protest. And please, I want the youths to join parties. Youths that were there last year, we saw them, they were well organized. Those are in charge of ordinary charging batteries. There are some in charge of transportation. There are some in charge of food. There are some in charge of finance. It shows the youths are not capable to rule our country. So in lieu of this, I want the youth to at least bring out one person. One. That's from that party. Bring out one person, support the person, and put him forward for the next general elections. As you can see what we are witnessing now, there is no security, there is no food, nothing is working, nothing is working, nothing. We are ranked number 3 in the whole world for terrorists. Just imagine that. So that's my own views. To commemorate this 1 year anniversary, we used to bring out one person to support the person and bring him out for the next general elections in 2023. Now is the time. When we are younger, we are told the youths are the leaders of tomorrow. So let that happen now. This is the time. Yes, this is the time. We can gather ourselves last year together, all that momentum that was well known all over the world. The protest reached till UK, London, France, all over the world. It shook the world, the EndSARS protest. Now is the time now to take our destiny in our hands. Yes, it's the time. Look at French government, France president, Macron. I don't think the guy is up to 42. I don't think so. So we can have such too. And now these politicians, enough. If not, we still continue to grumble. And the grumble won't do anything. Participate in politics. Participate. Go and join from your ward. Bring out the skills in you. Come out, go and join a party in your ward. It's not too late. If you are not there, síbẹ̀ ni Yorùbá náà sí o. Tó bá di síbẹ̀, lè jẹ́ ńbẹ̀. That's what it is. If you are not there, you will be counted. That's the bitter truth. But so please come out, join a party from your ward level. If not, it's not possible. I'll tell you to let's do the Donald Trump style. He went to a party and grabbed the Republican Party, but it's not possible in Nigeria. Our politics here from there. It's not possible here, but I think this is possible. Join a party from the world, get one person. We used to get one person. For me to have done that last year, come on. This EndSARS rocked the world last year. So you can do this too now. Get someone from those youths. Get someone, come get someone, guide the person, support the person, and by 2023, nominate him. Who knows? 70% of people who voted in last presidency were youths. 70%, 70%, with the age of 18 and 45, 70%. So we can still do it. You don't want to start globally again at all. It's final. Let's do that now. A word is not very wise. Let's do that now. Look at what is happening. Even yam now, I have to cut it, disperse into some pieces. You will just sell cut tubers that are cut for you. Just imagine now. Base is now 110,000 per bag. That's very bad. In a country that produces rice, cutting security. So we now and Haiti are in the same category. Haiti now, they are kidnapping for ransom. The difference is that we are a president, they don't have a president. That's just the difference. So you guys imagine we compare to Haiti, the giant of Africa. It has gone so bad. So please, that's my own whatever advice. That's my own opinion. I don't know yours, but I think mine will be better. Let's know yours. Comment down below. Let's know yours. Who is your own party candidate? Bye. We'll talk again next time. Bye. Bye.